I heartfully welcome Secretary Sir, Dayakar Reddy Sir and Principal Ma'am. We request Principal Ma'am to please come and address the gathering.
Good morning, girls. Good afternoon. For all of you, it is good morning now. Good afternoon, everyone. Why you so dull? Sounding dull, why? Good afternoon to the dignitaries on the dais, dear faculty and students. Farewell is not just a party or a gathering here. It is attached with emotions. You all are here, the juniors bidding farewell to the seniors to see that they, they're wishing them all the best in the future endeavors. Over the years, you are here, not just growing in knowledge, but in character, resilience, and compassion. You have faced many challenges, celebrated victories, and created memories that will stay with you forever. What we feel is you dream big. Stay to the ground. Success is not measured only by your achievements, but by the kindness you show, the lives you touch, and the difference you make in the society. Never be afraid of any failures, and it is the stepping stone for your success. Here, when we talk about your achievements, it's your memories which you carry for all the 3 years, starting your journey with dreaming something big, entering the campus, and, celebrating or cherishing all the memories with your friends. All the years you walked through the corridors, just sat in the classrooms, and you had filled the campus with your energy, laughter, and determination. You have achieved much, say, in your academics, in activities, in your leadership skills and service. But beyond this, 3 years, you have built character, which is very, very important. You all are the brand ambassadors of our Annie Besant family. Wherever you go, wherever you are, just remember that we all belong to a family, and that is Annie Besant family. As you step towards the next chapter of your lives, remember that you are going to show empathy and integrity you uphold, and you make a difference in all the lives. And remember, wherever you are, any person from Annie Besant family, do recognize them, and you are going to show a helping hand to whatever or wherever they are. You are going to see that these girls, all your final years, you cherish your memories, and all the 3 years, you have taken some stories, some memories behind you. The world which you are entering is full of opportunities. You may go for your PG or for a job, or you want to see that this is the destination. Girls, financial independence is very much important. So, see that you either start your own, be an entrepreneur, start your own enterprise, or you move towards your higher studies or get into job. Education is the most powerful weapon, and these 3 years we have been doing that and ensuring that you, at the end of the day, when you enter the practical world, are empowered with knowledge and are ready to face the practical world. See that you, whatever endeavors you do in future, you make it a success. Success is never a destination point. It is a journey. Every day, every event, every moment, whatever we achieve is a success for us. Congratulations to all the students who have, who have gained placements, campus placements. This time also we had a record placements, and not only your placements, those who are planning for your future. Only thing is, the add-on courses which have been given in the past 2 years was successful, and hope it turns as a legacy and is passed on to your juniors also. Encourage all of them and ensure that the moment you step out of Annie Besant College, you are not only having your academics, but also you have 2 or 3 skill set, that skills which are your add-on courses attached to your degree, so that you would be placed anywhere and everywhere you go. We congratulate all the students, and as I said, all the Annie Besant students, be filled with empathy. Wherever, whenever, see 32 years, the legacy is being carried, and you are going to take it forward. See that you, the next generation, the next batch, whichever comes, you turn as a guidance to them, and you join the alumni, and see that whenever we have any alumni meets, or whenever any guidance is needed to your juniors, you are here to support them. Congratulations to all the final years, and ensure that you have a wonderful future ahead. One small request from our end, which every time I tell, is whenever you are, as I said, you are the brand ambassadors, all the CRs, all the group leaders, now responsibility to see that you have a better next generation coming. That is, see that your juniors walk in, and you can be the brand ambassadors for them, guide them, help them out, and all the students of second years and first years. Ensure you promote or you talk about whatever we have done in the campus. Let it be academics, let it be the events, our club activities. You have so many clubs. All the activities have been done. The objectives, vision, mission framed by you all. See that this legacy continues, and you all ensure that you get or you inform your friends, your juniors, to come to be a part of the Annie Besant family. Thank you all. Wish you success, and see that you achieve success and you are on the top. Thank you very much.